This is Dana Point Harbor. If you come down to Dana Point, you'll see these palm trees and of course these El Torito. They also have an El Torito down here. El Torito does also have a harbor view. You also got Harpoon Henry's here too. They also got the event boards there. They've also got, well, they got a lot of stairs. Well, not a lot, just not something I would want to work out on. But they do have across the street, actually, way on the other side of the street over there, they have a walkway that people exercise up and down on. And on top of that, they also have a park, big, huge, grassy park. So, yeah, if you get a chance, come on down here to Dana Point. You got a lot of boats, lots of boats. More boats than you probably ever want to see, but they got them. Coffee importers. We go there for bagels. They're open from 7 to, I think, 6 to 10, I believe. 6 to 10 or 6 to 9. But check them out. Coffee Importers, Dana Point, California. This one over here on the left also has coffees and pastries and ice cream. And this one over here has bagels. So right now we're gonna go get a bagel because it's like 8 a.m. So yeah, it's going to be the wrap, the breakfast wrap. It's got eggs, onions, turkey, and sun-dried tomatoes. Coffee importers, teas, double tea bagged, all the condiments, and yeah, umbrellas, lots of umbrellas. If you've never been to Coffee Importers or Dana Point, this is pretty much their setup here. Right in there, they've got their bagels and wraps. So if you come over the bridge, so basically where we were at was on the other side of the harbor. Back over there is where we were initially at. We drove down this road here towards the cliffs, the sea cliffs. And so basically you're driving down from that harbor area, you drive down a little bit, then you go over this bridge, and this bridge comes through right through here, and you can either make a left, actually, yeah, a left or a right. And you make a right, you can park over there for free. And we got these booths here, first come, first serve. And yeah, they also got barbecue pits here. Barbecue pits, check them out. Some people are concerned that, you know, sometimes they're not too clean. And yeah, you know, you're right. But someone does clean them out. They do keep these barbecue pits pretty clean. Just make sure you bring a Brillo pad or something like that with you. Scrape off the tops and maybe bring some aluminum foil. But yeah, nice grassy slopes here. Some people paddleboard here. They can also paddleboard here. Going all the way down this canal, if you go all the way to the right down here, or if you drive down that road all the way down to the end, there's a little baby beach down there that you can actually load your paddleboard and paddleboard all the way around this harbor area, all the way around, and then come up in between the middle of the boats here, and then back down up to the baby beach there. So yeah, it's got a lot of nice features here, and this is pretty much it. Dana Point, California. And yeah. Oh, hey, if you haven't already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I always try to make sure I give you guys some updated videos. Basically what's breaking news or what I'm doing with my training and Highland Games and strength training and stuff like that. Also make some nice videos and footage like this. So, yeah. Come to Dana Point, California and check it out. Today's temperature is about 72, 73 degrees, and yeah, we're just kind of hanging out here. Got the in-laws, of course, and yeah, beautiful, beautiful day today. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and share. Thank you so much. More videos to come.